There is a difference between a copywriter, content writer, or just a lifestyle writer versus a freelance copywriter, freelance content writer, freelance writer. Did you know that? When I look at job boards, a lot of them talk about, I need a digital marketing writer. It's remote work. They use all these terms and it's like, what the heck? They say it's full time. Oh my gosh, and they pay per hour. No, that is not a freelance writing job. And they have it all over writing jobs. Case in point, this job on bestwriting.com is for Meredith. It's a huge publication website that have a ton of websites and magazines in style, real simple, travel and leisure, food and wine. Awesome. They want a commerce writer. Does not say freelance. So when you see this, know that you are probably signing a contract, working full-time for this one company, and only getting paid hourly. This is not the job you want as a freelance writer that wants to work from home. When I started freelance writing, I would pick up blogging jobs, and that meant that one client would want, let's say, 1 blog post a week. Another client would want 2 blog posts a week. And maybe a third client would only want 1 in-depth guide per month. And at the end of the month, I would invoice them my per word rate or project rate for that blog post, and they would pay me. That's what a freelance job looks like for a writer. So you can see that Campfire is hiring freelance writer, okay? So make sure you see freelance in the job title, because then you will see that they pay per word for the projects. I mean, they give you the option or per hour, but you can see for blog posts, case studies, and thought leadership stories, that means they pay about $500 to $1,000 per article. That's what you want to see for a good freelance writing job. So next time when you're looking at the job boards for freelance writers, realize that a lot of companies are wanting full-time hourly writers to join their team, sign their contract, and be a part of their team. And if that's what you want and that's what you seek at that moment, that you need a full-time role, then go ahead and do that. That's your, opinion. That's what you need at the moment. But for me, I love working with multiple clients just to safeguard myself in case one client decides they don't want me anymore, if they want to move on to podcasting or something different, they don't need as many writers. Or another client decides, you know what, I'm going to use AI instead, and I just need 1 editor. I have 3 other clients still that can help me with my income goals for the month, and I can just go and pitch and land more client work. So I like that model versus just working for one company in case that company folds or something happens. I don't want to rely on that one company. You're back to what you've been doing, right? Like you decided to become a freelancer or to work from home because you want that freedom and flexibility. So just realize that I've been noticing that a lot with writing job boards. I'm like, oh, these are cool writing gigs, but they all pay hourly and they want me to work full time and they want me to do a million jobs. So you want me to write blog posts and emails and landing pages and come to team meetings. And I'm like, holy moly, that's not what I signed up for. I signed up to do 1 blog post for you a month or a week. That's all I'm willing to do for that one client kind of thing. Just be aware of that when you go and view the job boards.